In case you were wondering, I was off of YouTube just to train for my Demon Beam skills on Josh. But here we go. This video is about an OC car. Right there, the OC car. And car in the way, but right here, OC car. And if I can get to the other side, I'll show you OC car. You almost ran over someone. Right here. That's the OC car. And it goes super fast. There it goes. Really? Yeah. Right there. That's it. Really? This is a very fast car. It's probably like faster than a cheetah. But right there, it's faster than any animal possible. But that is OC car. Oh no. But there we go. OC car. And it was built by one of my dad's friends. Right here. OC car. There it is, super fast. We can go to a field.
There's a place in Mine Falls, like a big open space ground.
OC car. It might be the end of the video, but I don't know, okay?
Do you want to go to a field? It's up to you.
Okay, we're going to a field, I guess.
I mean, that's up to you.
But that's the car. Up close.
We're going to go
up.
to,
Yeah.
either Mine
That's
Falls
the inside.
The back of Mine Falls?
Inside. Yeah, that's it. Mine Falls, here we come.
Let me get...
To make the full video.
Hey, Dad. Dad.
Ooh, doggy. Here we go to see the OC car. Where does that Mine Falls? On Flatland. Oh, see? Not in grass. I don't think. Okay, we're inside the car. Let's get ready for the part. Hello. Yeah. Is it ready to go to Mine Falls? It'll take a while. Okay, you change his hats because this one's more fit. So, the OC car is in the back right here, where always is in the trunk.
I like this. I don't know what this is for, but it has...
Oh, red hand! It's a long drive, really so lol. It's a long drive, so lol. I put so many cuts in it. So if you couldn't hear me, I said lol. I put too many cuts in the video because it was a long drive. Okay, so we are here. Let's go. Let's go out. We're here. Oh, beautiful rock. Such a beautiful rock. Lol. Ooh, more beautiful rocks. Wow, a battle crab. Wow, another rock. Lol, so huge. Sound of OC car. Okay, this is the OC car, but we're doing a walk. Let's go. Hope it doesn't fall into the water before the turtles eat. We are here. Let's go inside the gate. Lol. Nope, guess the car's not going to eat. I jumped over laughing. We just made that.
So there's a bridge over there, right there.
Lol.
Careful with the bridge. If you go right off the bridge, yeah, so you can just go forward. I mean, I don't think it's gonna fall. Like,
Or you could just pick it up.
You know, it'll fall if it jumps.
Or if you take a left, you won't be near water, and that'll be better.
Be careful of that.
I mean, it's not an open field, but the other side is an open field.
I'm right next to it now. Let's go. OC car. Stick. Bounce. Bounce. It's gone. Lol. Two paths. Which way should we go? I guess we're going this way. Now, 2 more paths. Oh, actually 3 more. Which one? That one? Or which one? That one? That one? Or that one? Shoot the car chases. Guess we're going straight. Hit the turtles. Let's go! The OC car is going over the bridge. So if it not falls off. Hey, I thought you said it would jump off. You thought it was like a little crack? There you go. Run.
This way.
It's literally ice. So cold, it's ice. Which way is the car picking now? Oh, skip. Which way is it going? That way, that way, that way, that way. Let's see what the car chooses.
You want to go this way or that way?
Going this way.
This way? Want to go that way? Well, where do you want to go? Yeah, but that's not opening now. You want to?
I guess there's no third path, like I said. Not for the car, but yeah, everywhere.
Yeah. Want to go this way or that way?
I'm gonna go right into
this way be
sleep. Go time. Right this way. Be careful with that. It's gone now. It's into the leaf. Look at that. Let's watch it do a wheelie. Look what it did. And we're gonna see it do a wheelie. If we can.
If you can.
We've seen it already, but we'll see it again. If we can. Ran into it. Okay, ran into it, but maybe we're going this way. Let's go. That's the field we're going to.
Oh, did you get that?
Yes, I got it. Look at the trail in the leaves. There we go. It's so far. Maybe we're just gonna go way into. Time for me to
Joey.
drive it.
You want to try?
Yeah, but I just need.
Just try
Wait, I'm gonna wait for it to go. There it is.
No, I don't.
There it is. Oh, see color. Look how far it's going.
Yeah, Joey, you want to try?
In the next video, the next video I'm gonna make right after. So, yeah, it's so far. So fast.
No.
I got that on camera. There it is. Wheelie.
Wow, it's really touching, huh?
Yeah. That is cool.
How far can I go?
I don't know. Probably not. You should be able to go to the other end of the field. Let Joey try for the.
Wait,
Wanna try?
I'm waiting for the video to end.
Oh,
for
it
me
shows
to-
the battery. Shows how much battery
Here,
there.
you. I don't
Oh.
want to get in.
That's the remote battery.
You tuned it? Oh no.
Here there is. We'll see you in the next video. Wait for the video to end. Ah! Whoa, it's so fast.
This is like demolition derby.
Yep.
It's almost done. Did you just step on it? No. That's the end of the video, I guess. Let's go near it. That's the inside of the car. Yeah, so